61A lecture number 13. Announcements. Project 2 is out. It's due next Friday with a checkpoint on Tuesday and a bonus point for submitting Thursday. So get started. Try to finish by Thursday and ask questions on Ed over the weekend if you get stuck. We'll have lots of office hours next week to help you out if you want to talk to somebody in person. And nice work finishing the homework. I want to talk to you a little bit about what's upcoming in this course. The beginning of this week introduced lists, dictionaries, ranges, talked a little bit about strings. Now you know how to put multiple values inside of another value. Today we'll talk about how to do that in a way that allows you to manage the complexity of large programs. And then we'll shift into how to keep track of data that doesn't just use the built-in data types provided by Python, but extends them to new ways of putting values together, trees and syntax. After that, we keep talking about sequences and how to manipulate them and use them. And by October 5th, we'll have learned everything there is to know about functions, lists, and how they fit together. At which point, we'll start a new unit in the course on the object system. So I would suggest, as we work through ways of using the built-in data structures like lists and dictionaries in order to build things of our own, you also focus on learning the details of how lists and dictionaries work so that you're comfortable using them, because they are certainly fundamental building blocks for programming.